You should know that sine 30 degrees is always 0.5 and tan 45 degrees is always equal to 1. Try this on your calculator. Sine 30 is always equal to 0.5 and tan 45 is always equal to 1. But what if the exam question was to say that sine of a given angle is equal to 0.5? Find out what this given angle is. This is the sign we use. We don't use x normally, we use this sign theta to represent any angle. So sine of a given angle is 0.5. You could use trial and error improvement, so sine 1, sine 2, sine 3 until you get to sine 30 is equal to 0.5, but that would take a long time. Fortunately, we could just do the inverse. So we write sine and then inverse. So inverse sine and then this inverse sine 0.5. Whatever you have here. And once you do that in the calculator, you'll always get the correct answer. So this answer will come to 30. But how do you do that? So 30 degrees. So how do you do that on your calculator? So to do this on your calculator, we need to use the shift button. So the shift button is here. Then after you press the shift button, you press the sin button. So that'll be inverse sin. And as you can see there, it says inverse sine. So we're going to press the shift button and then sin. So can you see it's inverse sine? And then we're going to type in the 0.5, close bracket, and can you see it's already saying it's 30. The same with tan. What if they said tan something, tan an angle, a given angle is equal to 1? Now you're going to try an improvement? No. Fortunately, we could do the same thing. We can say shift tan, that is inverse tan 1, and automatically the answer comes to 45 degrees. So as you can see, I've written it down. Inverse tan of 1 gives us 45 degrees. So inverse tan 1 gives us 45 degrees.